Alright, here's a unpackaging of the Kraxe Tirol 16-liter backpack out of Portugal, designed in Spain, I believe. Got here so fast. I cannot believe that got here in 5 days. Alright. Wow. Already throwing stuff that is essential. Here's actually a really cool little catalog. Nicely designed little brochure. And another little advertisement deal that looks excellent. Here's the first one, and okay, here's the backpack. Okay, so this is canvas, and I was wondering if this would be like a vinyl, but it's actually a canvas too, just like a slightly different style, and some nice leather work on the front straps, and on the, looks like a water bottle holder, which was an essential accessory for me because I carry this guy all over the place. So that looks great. Really nice shoulder pads. And let's see, really looks like nice quality. Draw strap, open it up, and it looks like that'll be definitely a good amount of space for what I need. There is one main divider, and then a smaller compartment and a zippered dealio, which, you know, throw all your essentials in there. And what else to say? I mean, this looks really nice. This looks similar to my old Everlane backpack, but a good update, and I will just have to let you know how it lasts in a few years.